Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem gift cards on Shein. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now we're going to be going ahead and opening up our Shein app. Once it has been opened, this is how the interface is going to look like. I'm going to be tapping on the card option at the bottom for us to see the redeem gift card section. Then we're going to be tapping on this option of checkout, which is on the bottom right. Once you're in the checkout section, you will have to simply provide your shipping address first. You can see my location is in Nepal, so currently Shein does not ship on my country, so I won't be able to check out the details further for the payment. But once you have added your address, tap on save, and then afterwards they're in the payment section. Choose any of the digital payment, could be PayPal or Apple Pay. Go ahead, choose that one if you would prefer, and then there will be card, and at the bottom there will be the option of redeem gift card and apply coupon or voucher. Tap on that option where you will find a little box where you have to enter the code. Now go ahead, take your gift card that you have physically got or you have got digitally. Check out the code listed over there for you to redeem it. Add in the code, make sure to recheck it twice, and then tap on redeem or apply. Once you have done that, your code will be redeemed to the purchase of yours, and that you're good to go. You will be able to simply redeem it likewise on Shein, and that is done. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.